I'm Lester Raso, 58 years old. The last 2 years I was having thrombosis. I have a checkup with my doctor, and my doctor told me there's a total closure of flow of blood in my dito sa paa ko. That the doctor recommended me for surgery. But before surgery, she wants me to go into treatment. She has given me a lot of medicine that it makes me uneasy. So a friend recommended me for treatment here, and wala namang mawawala sa akin, so I tried as my last parang ano ko na yun my last alternative, so I have to have this treatment. And after that, after 10 sessions, I want to know if really there's an improvement. So without the doctor's advice, I went into a test again, and I went to the hospital to have my thrombosis tested, even though it's not yet its schedule. And I went back to my doctor because I have to go to my doctor every 3 months. So I went back to my doctor. I was really amazed because from zero flow, naging mild yung thrombosis ko. That the doctor was really amazed. After the treatment, I could have my maintenance twice a month. So I'm doing it now because it also improves a lot of pain that I suffered. I have in my body, no? Kasi with my age, may mga sumasakit na minsan yung mga tuhod, yung ano. And most of that were really removed. For those who are suffering from thrombosis, I urge you to try this kind of treatment, integrated laser therapy, as it is not expensive, it is affordable, and it's really effective.